In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from all devices in Epic Games quickly and safely. This is really useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, if you want to secure your account, or if you simply want to make sure every active session is closed at the same time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your Epic Games account in your browser and open your account settings. Once you're inside your account area, look over to the left-hand menu and select Password and Security. This is where Epic Games keeps most of your login and protection options, so this is the section you want to be in. Now, scroll down until you reach the security section. Here, you should see the option for Sign Out Everywhere. This feature is designed to log your account out of all devices and sessions that are currently signed in, which makes it a very important security tool if you've been using Epic Games on multiple devices. When you find it, click Sign Out. Epic Games will then ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and confirm when prompted. Once you do that, your account will be signed out from all devices, which means anyone using your account on another browser, console, or device will need to log in again. If your goal is to protect your Epic Games account, this is one of the fastest steps you can take. And if you ever think someone else may have access to your account, signing out everywhere is a smart first move before changing your password and checking your security settings. That's it. You've now learned how to log out from all devices in Epic Games. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.